హాయ్ హలో ఎవ్రీవన్ వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్ ఏఎంఎస్ గాసిపీస్. సో మీరు మా ఛానల్ని ముందు నుంచి ఫాలో అయ్యింటే మీకు ఆల్రెడీ ఈ వీడియో తెలిసే ఉంటుంది. దిస్ ఈజ్ వేర్ హౌస్ ఆఫ్ స్టైల్ పోర్ట్. ఇది సెకండ్ పార్ట్ అనమాట. ఇఫ్ యూ డిడెంట్ వాచ్ అవర్ ఫస్ట్ పార్ట్ ప్లీజ్ గో అండ్ చెక్ ఇట్ అవుట్ ఫర్ న్యూ కలెక్షన్ అండ్ దెర్ ఇస్ అ బిగ్ సేల్ అట్ స్టైల్ పోర్ట్. అండ్ గైస్, ఇఫ్ మీరు సేల్ ఉన్నప్పుడు వెళ్ళినా లేనప్పుడు వెళ్ళినా 99వి మాత్రం 99కే ఉంటాయి. అండ్ దిస్ యానివర్సరీ సేల్ స్టార్ట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ 199. నేను చెప్పడం కన్నా మీరు వెళ్ళి ఈ వీడియోలో చూస్తే చాలా యూస్ఫుల్ ఉంటుంది అండ్ యూ లవ్ ది కలెక్షన్ డెఫినెట్లీ. అండ్ ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ న్యూ టు మై ఛానల్ ప్లీజ్ డూ కన్సిడర్ సబ్స్క్రైబింగ్. వితౌట్ ఎనీ ఫర్దర్ ado, let's get into the video now.
Wow, look at this. It has got this tissue fabric on it which has got a digital print. So this you can wear for your office, your college, and even for your outing. So this is available for 99 rupees. Various sizes also available in this from brand Zinc London. And imagine this is also available for rupees 99.
Wow. And
Look at the styling. Yeah.
good fabric it has.
And available in all the sizes, guys. This is another piece for rupees 99 only. Such a nice styling again. Yeah. Only for rupees 99, available in all the sizes. So if you come to the store and if you don't find this in rupees 99 section, please ask for the help and we will love to help you guys.
Please take the screenshots as well if you are interested or wanted particular tops.
Thank you. At our store, the tops are ranging from 200 to 500. You might know this if you have visited the store and watched our previous videos. But during the sale, pick any top. Whichever top it may be, you are going to get at one flat rate, which is 199. Guys, imagine 199. Pick any top.
Any top.
Yes, even if it's for like 500, you are going to get only for 200 rupees.
Are you sure, Sonam?
Yes.
It is for 199.
Yes, guys.
Oh,
It
it
is
is a big
100% genuine big sale, guys. I want you guys to come at the store and please give the reviews on this video saying that it is 100% genuine sale so that you can help other people also to buy from our store. We are working really hard to give you stuff at a very reasonable price, and the sale is not going to be like for 1 day or 2 days.
Okay.
It is going to be there for like literally 2 weeks
Okay, it
Yes.
starts from.
at the end of the video.
Okay, we'll wait. So, black is already in my hand. So, we'll go with this.
Something colorful, right?
Yes. We are starting everything. మేము ఏమంటారు కట్ చేసి మరి లోపల నుంచి స్టాక్ కట్ చేసి కావాల్సిన కలర్స్ అన్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటున్నాము. సో దిస్ ఇస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి సేల్ కాబట్టి మాకు నచ్చిన కలర్స్ మేము సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని పెట్టుకుంటాం. సేల్కి వస్తాం మేము కూడా. వీ విల్ ఆల్సో జాయిన్ యూ పీపుల్ ఆన్ సేల్. ప్లీజ్ డూ విజిట్.
This is a nice pink color. Let's open this also.
And this one also green as well. We need lot of energy to pull them.
They're all poly packed and stuff.
Yes.
Yeah.
We'll open them first.
A lot of hard work,
Seriously.
Yeah. So I'll hold it. You open, Shravani.
Okay. So I'm opening the green color now. Wow.
What's that? You can plan for Goa now.
Yeah. Seriously. And this is a truffle top, we can say. And this is for vacational wears. And even this is for Sonam.
Yeah, 200 rupees.
Even this is.
Yes, all the tops.
Okay.
No matter what you're picking up,
Okay.
it is going to be for rupees 200 only.
We are very blessed, you know, with your sale.
Thank you guys. Thank you. I'm so overwhelmed with all the love you guys are showering upon.
This
That
is
is
a
so
short
cute.
top, and you know, it is a crop top actually. So every collection, this is the second top which I chose. Even it is asking me to go to Goa.
So guys, in this collection, you won't be getting any sizes or anything because these are all like single pieces. So if you
Okay.
come with a screenshot, half of the things might not be available. So please visit on the first day.
So this is a shrug, sleeveless shrug, and it is too beautiful with the netted design. Wow.
You can wear this like a top as well. You can button it up and it will be a top, or you can leave this open as well. Whichever way you like to style, you know.
You know, I'm very excited to open, you know, clothes.
I know.
Wow. This is something very
Right.
party wear.
Very nice styling. Look at this, guys.
Shimmer look.
And such a nice styling. Can you imagine this? You will be getting only for rupees 200.
200.
Yeah. Look at this. Oh my god. I have to buy for myself also.
Store is yours, Sonam. You can buy anytime. Even you will not have the stock, I think, after this sale.
Yes, that's true. I'll help you to open the package.
Thank you. Wow, this is a half shrug. You know, for dresses or tops. It is very beautiful with a collar, woolen. Everything is like wool tho undi ikkada. Soft undi, and even this is idi kuda manaki 200 rupees ki vastundi. And this is a wow. This is a dress, I think.
Yeah, but this you are going to get at 200 rupees because we are putting this as a top.
Okay.
This is another
Wow.
piece.
This is white.
White top.
We can, you know, dress up like with this. Anything. We can pair
Yes.
this with anything.
So coming to the tank tops, guys, people have loved tank tops at our store. They are all available for 400 rupees. Pick any tank tops. We have around 14 to 15 different articles in tank tops, but during the sale they are going to get at half price, which is 200. We are sticking to our words. Pick any top, whether it's a tank or not tank, 200 rupees. That's another tank top.
Wow. So this is like crazy. We'll go crazy with this.
This is the tank top I love the most because it
Okay.
has got all the pastel colors in it. Look at the pastel colors. You can show it from the nose up. Look at this. It's a multicolor tank top and all the pastel colors, guys. A quick one now. Last two tank tops I'm going to show you.
Okay.
A silver color tank top.
Wow.
This is a stretchable one. And last but not the least, the bronze color.
Wow,
Dark
this
color
is
one.
pretty good.
Guys, this are unbelievable prices, guys. You are going to get this shimmer stuff only for rupees 200.
And
What
it
are
is
you waiting
designed.
for? Save the dates. Come to the store and grab all these pieces only for rupees 200. Unfortunately, this sale is not valid for online shoppers. There won't be any online services during the sale as we are very busy with the store, so I'm really sorry for the online shoppers. This will not be available for online. I think most of the people, they love white and black.
actually.
White and black, like they're on top. Wow, look, such a pretty dress. Such a nice dress. We are going to get for rupees 349. All the knee length dresses will be for rupees 349, guys.
ఓకే యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నీ లెంత్ ఇక్కడ నీ లెంత్ వరకు ఉంది కాబట్టి నీ లెంత్ డ్రెస్సెస్ అన్ని మనకి 349 కి దొరుకుతున్నాయి అనమాట. సో టాప్స్ అన్ని మనకి ఎట్లైనా 199 కి కాబట్టి నీ లెంత్ వరకు 349 ఇస్ అ రీజనబుల్ ప్రైస్ అని చెప్పొచ్చు. సో విల్ ఆల్సో ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ 349 దెన్.
Yeah, sure. Come with me. So guys, these are all like knee length dresses here. So the one I am wearing, I'm going to show you that one first. So this is so guys, seriously, I love this dress so much, and for the value of money, it's truly worth it, guys. You can wear this for a party, if your friend's birthday, or you're going for, you know, clubbing, everything. You can wear this dress. Look at this dress, and can you imagine you are getting this dress? It is such a thick fabric. It is not thin fabric that you are going something very cheap quality. It's a branded stuff with the lining, thick lining, and such a nice styling. You are going to get this dress for just rupees 349 during the sale.
ఇట్ ఈస్ ఓన్లీ డ్యూరింగ్ ద సేల్, రైట్?
It is during the sale only because at the moment this dress is for rupees 600.
ఓకే సో విల్ గో విత్
Sale is actually genuine sale, so this happens only once in a year. You get this at such a low price. Now it's all about knee length dresses.
Okay.
Right, I'm going to show you few articles as I cannot show you each and everything, right?
Yes.
As you know, we have lots of stock.
లాట్స్ ఆఫ్.
So I'm going to show you a few knee length dresses which you can buy for rupees 349.
వావ్, ఇట్ ఈస్ అ ఫ్రాక్.
It is a frock, knee length frock of cotton fabric and floral print, which is loved by most of the people. Right? It's a soft cotton, guys.
వెరీ ప్రిటీ.
Yeah, and this is another piece from Zinc London brand. It's a white and it has got thick fabric, guys. Right?
చాలా
Yes.
క్లాత్ చూస్తే చాలా ఏమంటారు థిక్ ఉంది. వింటర్ కలెక్షన్, వీ కెన్ సే ఇట్ as వింటర్ కలెక్షన్.
Well, you can wear this in summer also. It
Yes.
is very thick. It's not very thin, like low quality.
Yeah, quality
people
is
will think like, you know,
chala
if you are giving this for 349, it will be very cheap quality. That's the reason I am stressing that it's a good fabric, guys. It's not a cheap fabric. You are getting this for rupees 349. It's a genuine sale. So a few more pieces I'm going to show you with different print and different styling again. It's a soft rayon fabric.
అండ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ లైక్ కుర్తీ.
Yeah, you can style whichever you way you
Yes.
want. You can wear black leggings and dupatta, or you can just wear it the way it is.
Yes.
It has got nice lining also, and such a pretty piece for such a reasonable price.
చాలా బాగుంది క్లాత్ కూడా. అండ్ ఇది కూడా మనకి 350కే వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ.
Right.
ఓకే, సో వీఆర్ హియర్ ఇన్ లాంగ్ డ్రెస్సెస్ సెక్షన్ లో ఉన్నాం అనమాట. ఇప్పుడు వరకు మనకి నీ లెంత్ సెక్షన్ అయింది. సో వీఆర్ హియర్ ఇన్
Long dresses.
Okay.
So guys, I'm going to show you a very few pieces from knee length, as we have a wide collection of long dresses with us. So I'll show you few. As you can see, I'm opening in front of you. This is the dress, and this will go like a halter neck. And this dress you are going to get only for rupees 449, which is actually 450 rupees.
ఓకే, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫర్
So,
450.
Guys, seriously, this reasonable price, 450 rupees, a branded dress you are getting at such a reasonable price. Check the quality, so nice. This is another dress.
ఓకే,
Even this is very comfortable, available in all the sizes. It has sleeves and very soft fabric.
వెరీ సాఫ్ట్.
Yes.
నిజంగా చాలా స్మూత్ ఉంది క్లాత్ అనేది. అండ్ ఇది కూడా మనకి 450 ఆన్ సేల్.
This is another piece. So this is again from brand called Zinc London. You can wear this as a evening party, and if you're not comfortable with sleeveless, you can pair this up with any kind of shrugs.
Yes.
And you are good to go. This is such a nice dress, guys. It has also got a lining inside, so you can grab this dress only for rupees 450 during the sale, which we are going to reveal the dates in the end of the video, so stay tuned. I have made this price chart specially for the sale, so
Okay.
that you can get the exact price for what is mentioned here. So you can take the screenshot of this. Each and everything has been revealed here, but there's a surprise for you. Guess what? So the tops, pick any top, is for rupees 199, and all the prices are mentioned above for the different things. But there's a surprise in the end. On the minimum purchase of rupees 1000, you are going to get a short scratch card of minimum rupees 100. You never know, you might get for rupees 200, 300 and whatnot.
Yes.
So this sale is going to be the craziest one. Obviously you are getting at such a low price each and everything, but if you're buying for minimum 1000, on top of that you are getting a
scratch
minimum
card.
assured scratch card of rupees 100 rupees, guys. So you can save this. And also I would like you all to please go to our Instagram page, follow us there. Our Instagram page is styleport_Hyderabad, where we are updating each and everything every single day, new products every single day, guys. So show us some love, and please follow us on Instagram, styleport_Hyderabad. Thank you so much.
So Sonam, we are done with the video. Please reveal the date now.
Guys, the date are as follows: from 15th of February till 28th of February, guys.
Wow.
But don't wait for the later dates. Please visit ASAP before the stock lasts. So I'm waiting to see you all. Come soon. Thank you.
But thank you so much for giving us your time and calling us for this new update, and we are so happy, and thanks for putting it in the same
Pleasure is all mine. Thank you so much, guys.
So guys, we are already in February. Everever February tarvata pellillu, parties, summer, who are planning, please do visit Styleport and Shirtport.